some well-seasoned, finger-licking Caribbean oxtail. So delicious, so tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some amazing bomb.com oxtail. First, you're gonna need about 1.5 to 2 kilograms of oxtail. This is a nice clean cut, not too much fat. If there's a lot of fat, you can pre-cook it, remove the fat, or you can also remove it prior to pre-cooking it. You don't have to pre-cook it. Some people do, some people don't. We're gonna wash it very well with some lemon juice, lime juice, and some vinegar. And then you're gonna remove the water. And now we're gonna make our marinade. For that, we're gonna use some onion, garlic, and scallions. And then we're gonna add some green and red bell pepper. You can actually choose whatever color bell pepper you like. Cut it into pieces. If you don't have a chopper or a blender, you can also just cut your greens, vegetables, onions, herbs. And then we're gonna use some thyme. You can use fresh thyme. I use some dry thyme because that's all I had in my pantry. Add a little bit of water and chop it, blend it up. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Then we're gonna season our oxtail. Please feel free to be very aggressive on the seasoning. You add some onion powder, some garlic powder, and then you're gonna add your adobo. You can also use sazon completa. Add how much you'd like. Then we're gonna add some soy sauce for the color, some black pepper, and your seasoning. When you add all of that, we're gonna mix it very well. Get all of that seasoning up in that meat. Rub it up, mix it up. Oh yeah, if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Then we're gonna set it aside. The best tasting oxtail is if it's left to marinate overnight. A couple hours can also do. Now we're gonna sear the oxtail. You add your oil and some brown sugar to give it a nice color. Add your oxtail in there, and you want to flip it after 2 minutes of light searing. When that's done, you're gonna take your pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, that's okay. You can also use any pot you have. A pressure cooker just speeds the process, and I love it. I made this oxtail in about 20 minutes. You're gonna add your seared oxtail to the pot. Then we're gonna add some water. Make sure to use your bowl that you seasoned your oxtail in. Add some water to that. Add it to a pan, and even the pan you seared it in. Then we add some bouillon cubes. You can also add some chicken or beef broth, and add some extra onion and garlic powder in there if you want to. I'm gonna add a bit of soy sauce just for the color, and then you're gonna let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And when that's done, you check it, you taste your salt. If you need to add more salt, you do that. And then you cook until the meat is tender. And when that's done, you know what to do. You're gonna plate your food, add your rice and peas, and your oxtail. Don't forget the sauce. So amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and let me know if you're gonna try it out and how it turned out. And hey, if you made it differently, your recipe, please share. I would love to know, and I would love to learn. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the rice and peas recipe video. Bye guys.